So the main way to do this is by setting it up in a power rack or any kind of pull-up bar. And you're just gonna wrap the band around the top, and then you'll be able to put your knee through it, or you can go all the way down to the bottom of your foot if you're able to do it. But for someone my height, I'm 6'5", it's not, you know, unless you have a really, really long band, it's not gonna happen. So here's how we set it up, just through the knee. Loop it around to the bottom, hop in, and do your pull-ups. And this is actually a good way to do it if you don't have access to any kind of safeties on a power rack or something similar. But if you do have a power rack, I'm gonna show you how to do that and why I think it's a lot better when it comes to the band tension you're able to use. By doing this, we're gonna be able to get more use out of one band instead of having to buy multiple bands to increase or decrease the resistance curve that's helping us. So here's how we set this up. Instead of it being up here, you're gonna take your safeties on both sides of your power rack. And now as you can see, it's in a nice, you know, stable position. I don't have to worry about it swinging up and hitting me, you know, in the crotch, which is what happens to a lot of people when they're doing these. You can lower them, you can put them lower so that you can stand on them. That's gonna give you a little bit more balance while you're doing it. For some of my height, I have to have my knees up, otherwise I'll hit the ground. So, show you guys how we do this really quick. So by setting up your bands in a power rack such as like this, you're able to increase or decrease the amount of tension you need to actually do more pull-ups. And what I would do is work up to multiple sets of 10 to 20 reps. And you can also do regular pull-ups for a couple of sets as you're able to get stronger at them. Do a couple sets, you know, sets of 3 to 5, whatever you can do. And then once the reps drop below a certain amount, throw on a band and then start doing some higher rep sets with the bands on to get some more work in, to get some more volume in, so you can keep pushing your strength and hypertrophy in the back, lats, and everything else that the pull-ups build themselves. And as I stated before, with most bands, if you set it up in the power rack or whatever your pull-up bar looks like, you're only able to do that one band tension. There's no way you can change the tension on it unless you loop it up like twice as much. But with this, you're able to move it up or down on your power rack so you can get more use out of one style of band instead of going out and buying a bunch of bands that you may only be using until you're able to do more pull-ups. But that's it for this one, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. If you're new to the channel and you'd like to see how to get stronger and build more muscle, start now by subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Hope you guys all have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Thanks for watching.